Hello everyone. Welcome to the next module on search engine optimization techniques. And the name of this module is On-Page SEO Techniques with the focus on content optimization. It's often said that content is king in digital marketing. Be it your page, post, social media profile, or even advertisement, you need the content. So fully optimized content will surely help your website to be ranked high in the search engine results. So under this module, you will specifically learn that what are various techniques of content optimization, how to ensure the quantity, quality, and variety of content, and lastly, how to use and how internal and external linking will help your content quality. So if you are ready, so let us begin. So first of all, let us see what is content optimization. Content optimization is a part of overall search engine optimization process where content of the web pages is optimized to make the content more relevant, attractive, and actionable for the audience. The websites having relevant, attractive, and actionable content have better chances to be ranked high in the search engines. How to make the content relevant, attractive, and actionable, we should focus on content quality, content quantity, content variety, content readability, internal linking and outbound linking, and keyword density. Now let us discuss these points one by one. First, content quality. The Google search algorithm assigns a lot of weightage to the quality of the content when it comes to the ranking of websites. Google has released detailed guidelines to improve the quality of content so as to match the Google's parameters. According to the Google, these quality guidelines cover the most common form of deceptive or manipulative behavior, and Google may respond negatively to it. There are a few basic principles of content quality as per Google, such as the content should be fresh and original one. If the content is copied or plagiarized, it will be considered as spam. The focus of your pages should be on users, not on the search engines. That means you should understand your user first. What are their requirements? What actually they want? Try to build the content around it by including the keywords which they might be using to find your content or website. Don't try to deceive the users by writing irrelevant content. Think about what makes your website unique, valuable, and engaging. Make your website stand out from others in your field. Google has put specifically focused on that you should avoid automatically generated content, creating pages with little or no original content, abusing the snippet markup, cloaking, hidden text and link, and so many other things. I have given the link in the e-text for detailed Google guidelines. You can refer to them. Next, we have the content quantity. The second way to optimize the content is quantity. The quantity of the content also matters along with the quality. In this case, the principle of A to Z matters. Try to understand the intent of the user and then give him A to Z detail on the topic by covering various aspects. Though there are no clear guidelines from the Google regarding the word count. However, your content should be rich enough that user feel that for what purpose he landed on the page, he has achieved it by going through the content. The length of the content depends on different factors like type of the business. Like in business website, companies need to explain their service, vision, and mission of the company. On the other side, an education website has to develop the content thoroughly with key details on various aspects. The next point is complexity and simplicity. As earlier discussed, make sure the content is thorough and deep. Few companies may prefer to just give the names of their product and services, but it is always suggested that you describe every detail of the service with the customer expect. So we have discussed two very important techniques of content optimization, that is content quality and content quantity. So these two techniques are backbone of content optimization. Google always aims to offer the best result to its user by providing the quality information to them. That is why Google always put a lot of focus on the quality of the content. And Google has already issued guidelines in this regard as well.